It has life. What's going on, guys? It's your boy West Vlogs, back on the vlogs. Today we're here at Audi Fremont with Supra. We're here picking up these 600 LT. And guys, are you ready for this one? Y'all ain't ready. Alright, here we go. Boom! 600 LT. Looking all good.
Look at the outfit, man.
Damn, bro. So what did they do to your car, bro?
Two-step, polish, and ceramic.
Okay,
Black
okay.
Prestige.
Oh, Black Prestige, bro. Oh, feels good. It's like butter. Wow, so guys, check it out. It's like butter, guys. Feel it. Oh, 6 on the car.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Just look at the sides, bro. Hey, look at me. Look at that.
Damn. Okay. Oh, let me drop my vape into here. Oh, yeah.
Don't drop it, though, man.
Damn, rear tire. Y'all ain't about that life. Exposed rear tire. Damn, look at that Gallardo though. Oh, dude, the Gallardo even looks clean.
Oh my god.
Wow. GT2 RS? God, look at this key, guys.
Yeah.
Polish and cut key. Cold start, baby. Turn it on.
Battery low.
Oh, McLaren problems.
Yeah, we love that. That's why maybe this car you gotta lock it, man. I don't think.
Damn, bro.
Battery low.
Battery low. All right, guys. These 600 LT just died. No juice, bro. Hey, where's the charging port, bro?
Yeah, so my LT right there comes with this factory charger.
Trickle charger.
Yeah, so now we gotta plug
McLaren.
it into the little cigarette looking ones.
All right, guys, let's get it.
It's probably gonna have to sit for a little bit.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Take the battery out.
Damn, guys, we got Barney out here. Barney died on us. So yeah, guys, charging it up a little bit. Then we're gonna get a cold start. Oh yeah, look at those pipes. Let's get a little action going on here. Oh yeah. Yo, guys, look at this.
Yep.
That's not bad, man. The 570, that's like 5 grand.
Look at this, guys. I'm gonna get a little zoom in on this one. Oh, that's a crack right there. Right there, guys. You got a crack right there. Let's see. Let's see if it turns on. All I hear is click, 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 click. Oh, nope. Click, 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 click. Oh yeah. How do you feel, D?
Blame it on McLaren.
Oh, thank you, McLaren. You make great cars. You got the back to the umbilical cord. Back to birth. Oh shoot. Alright guys, so D600 LT, aka Barney, is having a problem. some like battery discharge issue. I think the battery died while they were working on the car, but it's okay. We're gonna go look at some sick cars and then we'll be like right back. Hopefully I can get some shots of these cars. Let's see what we can add to the collection maybe. Just kidding. No more cars. Alright guys, we're here at Starbucks getting some coffee with your boy D's nuts.
We ordered some iced caramel macchiato, and guess what? Matcha green tea, 12 scoops.
Damn, bro, 12 scoops? What the? I'm going party right now. Hey, Visa. You need 12 scoops of matcha. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby, JDM AF. Oh yeah, carbon fiber, baby.
Trying to race Danny, bro.
Trying to race the S2K real quick, bro. You gotta get through the Supra first. Oh damn guys, it's an R8. It's an R8 Spider, non-decennium. Kinda ugly. Bro. Guess what we got behind us, guys? I think it's a Taycan Turbo, boy. This guy likes to go fast. Oh, my elbow's in the way. I'll get a little tilt here, guys. Ooh, yeah. Oh damn guys, get a little whirly over here. They didn't give me a freaking mixing straw, so I gotta get a little mix going here. Oh yeah. It has life! Alright guys, the 600 LT is back to life. It got juiced up. Now we're gonna be out with the Supra, guys. Supra versus 600 LT. Who do you think is gonna win, guys? Oh, you already know the Supra got the juice. Oh yeah, 600 LT. We got Barney rolling out. Wasabi.
Back, baby.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah. Got our Supra out here hella dirty with this clean Barney out here. Oh. Hey, you got the juice, bro? Alright guys, so we're here at Wasabi right now. Just pulled up with the Supra, and then we got Barney over there, aka D, or aka D the Barney, you know? Barney, you know. So yeah, he's on the phone right now, so we'll leave him alone. We're gonna head in and see Danny right now. We just got this crazy drive. We're going like you know, in Mexico, but then like we're like 65 miles per hour speed limit. So yeah guys, we're gonna see what's up for today.
I was in automatic all the time, by the way.
What do you mean?
I was in manual shifting. It was just automatic.
I wasn't even pushing it.
No, but you're kind of slow.
Bro, I drive like grandpa.
But no, you're slow on twisting as on straights.
Damn, bro.
LT, bro.
Oh yeah, dude, that's smooth, man. Dude, Horacio did good job. We got these McLaren. Yeah, go ahead. Got you want to take a picture of these McLaren? Oh yeah. All right, these McLaren. Hey, what do you think of the McLaren?
It's pretty cool.
It's cool, huh? What do you think of it? Like the color?
I love the color.
The color's sick, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think about my Toyota?
McLaren's cooler.
Dang. I gotta sell the Supra now, guys. Go get another Lambo.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Dino! Happy birthday to you! Hey, make sure you make your wish.
Should I blow it or
Yeah,
not?
blow. Make sure your wish is Ferrari. Look. No. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, this burnt my head.
Oh yeah, baby. What's going on, bro?
What's up?
Damn, bro,
cake?
it's a nice looking cake, man.
Facts.
Oh, hell yeah. See that? You got some white shit on your lip, bro. Damn, happy birthday, bro. You're looking good, man.
Thank you, man.
Hell yeah.
What up, man?
What's up, bro?
subscribe to Flexboy.
Flex
To the next
Boy.
episode.
Alright guys, we just finished lunch. Happy birthday to Dino, Mo's little brother. So right now we're gonna head over to Danny's warehouse. We go on a drive, take the cars out. Let's get it, guys.
Now